Ayan, flaming geyser.
No, that's the bubbling geyser. So it's similar to the flaming geyser, and it's a remnant of an exploratory coal well drilled in the early 1900s. The bubbling geyser's main product is methane. This methane is broken down by microbes in the surrounding environment, which then reacts with calcium found in the water to produce a substance called calcium carbonate. So this is calcium carbonate, and it settles out of the water and creates a gray residue you see in front of you. It's similar to what you might see in Yellowstone National Park.
There. See the bubbling?
Yeah. So this is similar to Yellowstone National Park.
So?
Yeah, it says this is similar to what you might see there.
Ayun, lakas oh. Ayun.
Ah. That's more interesting than...
Hindi, pwede rin sindihan yan.
Ito.
Methane yan eh.
Yeah. But the only difference is the bubbling geyser is not heated by high temperatures, by geothermal heat. So there is less algae and bacteria than Yellowstone National Park geyser. That's why there is no vibrant colors.
Dito meron din oh, doon. Ayun, nakita mo? Ayun.
Yeah.
Ay, malakas din doon oh. Doon.
Yeah. That's cool. I like that. See the strips of fiber? Or calcium carbonate.
Yeah. Pinasyal namin kayo dito sa Flaming Geyser. Auburn to no? Auburn, Washington State. Ayan, pwedeng hindi na kayo pumunta. Nakita nyo na yung dapat makita dito. Ayan, dyan kami nang galing. Puro puno. Parang gubat. Wala kayong engkanto dito.
Look here.
Ha? Ano yan?
You see it's much thicker here.
Alin yun?
The little white strings.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? What?
Ayun pa oh, doon oh. Doon wala. Pero doon meron oh. Akala ko sinindihan nila yan. Kaya ganyan.